Friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video we are going to see job opportunities available for mechanical as well as chemical engineer. Today we are going to see job that is CSIR National Metallurgical Laboratory. This is the official website of National Metallurgical Laboratory. I will be providing the link in the description. When you click that link, you will be directing to this page. So they have given the address. It's in Jamshedpur, Jharkhand. And if you want to send your resume means you can also send your resume through the email ID and phone number they have given. In order to have further contact or any clearance or doubt, you can clarify through the phone call also. And there will be three dots. See here. So there will be three dots here. So when you press that three dots, many things will be popping out from the right corner, like let us home, CSR fund, SDG, like that it will be popping down. You have to click home. So when you click home, you will be directing to this page. So here you have to click career. So here we will be having an option called career. So you have to click on the icon career. So when you click on the icon, so two more will be popping out, that is one will be temporary position and another will be permanent position. So you have to press temporary position. When you press temporary position, it will be further directed to the official website. So here you can see the various job advertisements. So today we are going to apply for project staff engagement. So the application is dated on 21st 9 2021. So on the right side there will be a PDF. If you click that PDF means you can read the entire advertisement and details of it. So when we click that PDF, we will be directing to this page. So here we can see various recruitments and job posting. So whichever is relevant for you. For example, just see here we will be having BTech in chemical, metallurgy and mechanical. So this is relevant to us. So the name of the post is Project Associate 1. 3 vacancies are there. And next if you see means BTech in chemical, metallurgy, mechanical. So this is also relevant to us. So there total number of vacancies will be 2. And see here, those who are having diploma in mechanical can apply for this post, project assistant. 1 vacancy is there. And if you are finished your BE or BTech in metallurgy, metallurgy materials or metallurgical means, you can apply for this project associate 1. Likewise, if you see means there will be various posting, whichever is applicable for you, you can apply for that job. And also they will be giving the extra details like how much salary they will be giving and what are the other requirements. See here, for various level they have given the various salary, and also in the another column they also given the age limit also. So just see whether you fit for that, and if you are fitting and if you are comfortable means you can apply for a particular post. So next if you see means regarding the terms and conditions, that is age relaxation, they will be giving 5 years for SC/ST, OBC and PW and women candidates. And Hindi, see here, Hindi is used as a medium conversation during the interview. Just make a note of it. And various points they gave, you just have a glance of it. And interview will be online. Okay, interview will be online and everything will be intimated, notified through email alone. So in case if there are more number of candidates means, what the interviewer will be doing is they will be shortlisting by a screening committee based on the academic qualification or experience. So these everything will be depending on them. In order to reduce number of count, they can have any category. So have a note of it. And you have to upload your certificates as a single PDF, that too not more than 3 MB. So just consider all this criteria and also have a glance of it, read each and every line here, and after getting convinced and if you want to apply means you can apply on this. If you further scroll down means there will be an option like click here to apply. So if you apply this link means it will be asking you various basic details. You have to fill everything, and finally you will be applying for this job. So before applying, try to keep everything ready, like your certificates to be scanned and everything should be under 3 MB. So say to it. So in case if you have any doubt means you can comment, you can type in the comment section. And this video will be very much helpful and useful for mechanical engineers and chemical engineers. So kindly share this video to mechanical and chemical engineers, and do subscribe our channel Mechanical Motivator. Then only you will be receiving all the videos which we upload. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.